What is a direct unsubsidized loan? Easy explained. A direct unsubsidized loan can sound like a basic school loan with a complicated name. That is why a lot of people hear it and assume it is just normal college money that works itself out later, but the important part is hidden inside the word unsubsidized. That one word changes when interest starts, how the balance grows, and why this loan can feel manageable at first but more expensive late. That is the detail most people do not fully understand until much further down the line.
What it actually is?
A direct unsubsidized loan is a federal student loan for eligible undergraduate students and also for graduate or professional students. Unlike some other federal loans, financial need is not required to qualify for this one. Your school decides how much you can borrow, and the amount cannot go beyond certain federal limits or your school costs. So the easy explanation is simple. It is money you borrow for a school now and repay later, but you are the one responsible for the interest from the beginning. That is the real difference, how it works. Here is where it gets easier to understand. Once the loan is disbursed, interest starts building right away. It does not wait for graduation, and it does not pause just because you are still in school. That is what makes it different from a direct subsidized loan, where the government generally covers interest during certain periods for eligible students with financial need. After you graduate, leave school, or drop below half-time enrollment, direct unsubsidized loans generally come with a 6-month grace period before required repayment begins. That delay can make the loan feel less urgent at first, but the interest keeps mattering while the loan is sitting. When people use it and where they get confused, this loan often shows up when grants, scholarships, or savings do not fully cover school costs. Because it does not require financial need, it can also be one of the more common federal loan options in a financial aid offer. The mistake people make is thinking that no payments during school means no cost during school. That is not how this loan works. Interest can keep piling up while you are enrolled, during grace, and in many other periods, which means the total amount you repay later can grow even if you never miss a payment. What nobody explains clearly enough. The hidden issue is capitalization. If unpaid interest is left sitting there, it can be added to your principal balance in certain situations, and then future interest is calculated on that larger amount. That is why this loan can look small when you accept it and noticeably bigger by the time repayment becomes real. This is general info, not financial or legal advice. But the practical takeaway is simple. A direct unsubsidized loan is often more flexible to qualify for than need-based federal aid, yet the trade-off is that you own the interest from day one. The real answer: so what is a direct unsubsidized loan in easy terms? It is a federal student loan that can help pay for school even if you do not show financial need, but the borrower is responsible for the interest from the moment the loan is disbursed. That resolves the question from the beginning. The most important thing is not that the loan helps pay for college, it is that the balance can grow quietly in the background while you are focused on school. Once you understand that, the name stops sounding confusing and starts sounding exact. Money for school now, with interest on your side of the table from the very start. If you enjoyed the video, hit like, and I'll leave a video on screen that may be of interest to you. You can click it to watch. See you next time.